Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to learn about solid combine command in CATIA software. So first of all, what is meant by solid combine in CATIA software? So solid combine command is used to add the material from two close profile or two sketches, or solid combine command create a solid body by combining two close profiles. So let's click on start. Again click on mechanical design, then click on part design and click on OK. For solid combine command, we need two close profile. So first draw one sketch, click on sketch icon, then select any plane and draw here one close sketch. First click on profile, then make one close sketch. Then constrain this diagram or this sketch. So double click on sketch. So double click on constraint. Select this line and this line. Select this line and this line, then right click and select allow symmetry line and select this vertical line or vertical axis. Now select this line and this vertical line. Again click on right, select allow symmetry and select this vertical axis. Then select this and this line. Select this line and this line. Change this dimension by 50 mm. Again select this vertical line and this vertical line and change this dimension by 20 mm and click on OK. Now select this horizontal line and this horizontal line and change this dimension by 25 mm and click on OK. Then select this line and change this dimension by 25 mm and click on OK. Again select this line and this line, right click and select allow symmetry line. Then select this vertical axis. Now our sketch is fully constrained. Then click on exit workbench. Now we have to draw another sketch. So click on sketch, select this plane and now I am drawing a one close sketch by clicking on profile. Now constrain this drawing, fully constrained. So double click on constraint and select this vertical line and change this dimension by 10 mm and click on OK. Again select this vertical line and change this dimension by 8 mm and click on OK. Now select this horizontal line and change this dimension by 128 mm and click on OK. Then select this arc and change this dimension by 82 mm and click on OK. Now click on exit workbench. We can see here we have two close profiles. Now click on solid combine icon. Here select this sketch and here select second sketch. Then click on preview and click on OK. Now we can see here we have one close body. We create this body from two sketch by using solid combine command. Thank you.